Hindi abot. What? Sige, hanap kang ano. Pwede mo pang abot. Hindi abot?
That's one. That's one. That's one. Huh?
Turn off mo yung lights.
But
You want to turn off the lights? Use this one. Oh. Go ahead. No problem.
Sali ka po, pakasali mo na ako.
Two of lights.
Off yung lights. Sige, kaya mo yan.
Anak.
Kaya mo yan.
Ha? Nakamatok po ka anak niyan eh. Kuhanin mo yung upuan mo.
Ha?
Yung ikaw upuan. Kakapon.
Yung chair mo, yung ano mo doon sa room.
Cheer.
Yeah. Mhm. Abot na yan.
Kasi dati kung nagawa mo yan eh, pag binuksan ng ilo ko, inaano mo yan eh.
Wow, ang galing.